Well, I didn't know they actually sat there while you fed them.
Oh,
sorry.
Usually feed them down the back. I've
Hello,
already
Cookie.
given them sunflower seeds.
Wow. Oh. Oh.
Something scared them.
Yeah, it's probably me. Oh,
I
cool.
was wondering, I thought, knocking. Who's knocking?
It was only me.
Oh. Yeah, no, the dogs are deaf. They don't bark anymore. They don't
Hello.
hear you come.
Oh, well, I'd only driven up.
Oh, this morning, I thought 15 minutes I looked for Biscuit. Yeah, she's over there in the box. She hasn't...
Biscuit.
No, that's Axel.
Oh, yeah, Axel.
15 minutes I looked for her.
Hello, Axel.
But she was in the kennel downstairs. But the kennel's really big and she was around the corner and it was dark.
Hey, hey.
I'm calling her.
Hey.
I'm calling her.
Hello. Hello. Oh. Wow.
Yeah, they're dead.
They are. They'll have to use sign language. I learned that years ago. Okay. All right.
I just finished feeding them all. I'm going to give Biscuit a tablet. I've fed the guinea pigs, the fish,
Guinea pigs.
the chickens.
Oh. Okay. What's in here?
Guinea pigs.
Where? I can't see any guinea pigs. Oh, hello. Hello. You're a bit out of focus. Oh, there you go. Hello, guinea pigs 1 and 2. Well, there you go. Spontaneous visit. Let's just adventurise down here a little bit. I'm just on the way home to the normal home. Really cool in. Wow. More cuckoo. What am I calling them? Kookaburras. Cockatoos. Let's go and observe them. Hello. Hey. That's nice, them all sitting together in the tree. Hello, boys and girls. They said this is not very good YouTube content. Well, no, that's true. But you're watching it. Hopefully. This is not a high rating video, it's just Friday afternoon. Had no video prepared, so since I just called in here, well, somebody's doing some house mining for a few days. Hey, Biscuit. Biscuit. Oh, I forget your name, I haven't seen you before. Hello. Would you like to say something? Not really, no. Not really. Should bring the drone sometime, fly above here. There's the remnants of all the shells that they eat, sunflower seeds. Hey, you guys have been quiet. Probably can't even be seen. Will you make it to the end cut, the final cut? Hey, can't even picture. Oh, jeez, scared the crap out of me. What? 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 You've seen them? What? So what do you have to say about things? Hey? Not a lot. Oh, you want to do a trick? Okay. What trick do you want to do? Doing that sort of trick. Hello. Well, that's not much of a trick. I can do that. I may not be able to get back up again, but I could do it. Anyway. There you go. Yeah. Always nice out in the bush. And this is just on our side of town, the western suburbs of Brisbane. Get out a little bit away from the city and it's still bush, as we call it. And he came back as soon as I left. And also there's a whole lot of bobos down there. Same as Bobo, but in the wild. Hey Bobos, rallies. Oh, it's a scuffle. Yeah, they're like bird. There you go. Afternoon at, yeah. Well, there you go. Lovely. Well, they're still coming for a feed. Well, last time I was here was a whole lot of birds as well. Even kookaburras getting into the action there. They often sit on the deck at home. Yep, there he is. Hey kookaburra. He said you could have used a proper camera. Well, I'm sorry. This is totally unplanned. Such is my life. Here. What do you reckon? Ghost eyes? Oh, clever how you do that. Possessed. Oh, you're possessed. No, Steve, you're just an idiot. Okay, I'll agree with that. Yeah, Elvis had had an ear amputated. I can hear you purring. Hello. You've been around for a while, haven't you? Elvis had an ear cancer, didn't he?
Yeah.
Poor bugger.
He had a tumour on his ear.
Yeah. Oh. There you go. Nice cat though. Hey, nice cat, even with glowing eyes. Hey, well, I'm going to end the video there because I don't even know if I'll add any of this. But just in case, have a good weekend. Cheers.